We take this time to honor today's four-state heroes. Specialist Paul Rogers served in the United States Army from 1969 to 1971. He fought in the Vietnam War. His hometown, Riverton, Kansas. We are proud to salute Paul Rogers, our four-state hero.
Birthday list off with a big number 2 for Winter Coaster as winter celebrates in Chanute. And as a matter of fact, you want to talk about a busy day in their household. Well, big brother Isaac there on the right, he had a birthday earlier this week as well. So Winter, a happy birthday to you. And this one comes from, oh, I remember when it was Isaac's birthday because Gigi and Mimi, they chimed in with a happy birthday. So that's who that's from, Winter.
And we've got Jackson Bond, a little Pikachu kid there. Jackson is 6 in Riverton this year.
Boston Norton, he attends St. Mary's, or she attends St. Mary's Elementary right there. Great smile, kiddo. A happy 7th birthday to you. Boston is in Pittsburgh.
Oh, what a cutie there. Noahillard turning 10 years old this year.
Look at that.
Yeah, I like that catch there, Noah. In Gerard, happy birthday.
Dylan Donaldson, D squared right there. Line him up, knock him down, my friend. A happy 12th birthday.
And it's our good friend Jim Stout from Anderson, Missouri, who's now 94 years old. Happy birthday, Mr. Stout.
Happy birthday, Big Jim. That is Maggie Murray Bechtel, and Maggie Murray is celebrating a birthday as well. Happy birthday, ma'am.
What a pretty picture there of Maggie. Dan and Barbara Duncan are celebrating their 43rd anniversary this year. Congrats to the Duncans in Crestline.
And speak of anniversaries, Don and Carolyn Oplotnik, they are celebrating their 52nd. Another gorgeous picture. Congratulations to Don and Carolyn in Carl Junction. And who that is? It's our own Keith Frobish right there, our maintenance engineer. He is the person that we go to. I'll let everybody in behind the curtain, dirty little secret. TV people break things. We're not good at that. And that's why we just go to Keith. And Keith will find a way to fix it. That man is absolutely amazing. Happy birthday, Mr. Frobish.
That's a man who can build something out of nothing. Like, it's amazing what he can do. Got some skills there. Hey, it's Nurse Kerry, one of the community nurses at Pittsburgh High School. Kerry Lajada is turning 38 years old this year. She lives in Frontenac.
You finish it, I gotta turn the camera.
And James Barker celebrating his 60th birthday in Fort Scott.
So happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here is Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com/birthdays and sign up for the Birthday Club today.
Cool. I got that camera moved. Thank you very much. All right, let's take a look at our daily